Welcome to our video guide on managing the Changes History Report module, enabling you to keep track of product, category, and customer changes seamlessly. After installing the module, head to the Reports and Changes History tabs. Explore changes to products, categories, or customers by clicking on the corresponding tab. All changes are chronologically presented on this page. The Changes History Report provides the date, time, and the person responsible for each change. Clicking on a record reveals more detailed information. To clear all information, use the Cleanup button. For efficient handling of numerous records, customize the display by setting the number of records per page. Select your preferred number from the drop-down list. These were the simple steps to manage the Changes History Report module. Now, you can effortlessly keep track of changes to products, categories, and customers, ensuring transparency and accountability. Use this tool to enhance your business operations and maintain a comprehensive history of modifications. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking!